Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a little bit of a quick one. If you follow my channel, you know that a couple weeks ago I ordered a smart hub for my garage here. And as you can see, I'm in the garage. I'm here next to old Bodie. It's about 30 degrees outside, so I'm not going to do anything outside this morning. But I bought a Chamberlain MYQ Smart Hub. Video's right here somewhere. It's going to be up here somewhere. And it comes with sensors that you put on your garage door. So I'll put a picture of it right here. Here's the hub, and here's the picture of the sensor, which I can probably show you the sensor right here. This little square doodad right here. Well, these things are cheap enough, and it works really good. I mean, my garage doors are almost 18 years old, and these things work great. They'll send you a message saying that your door's open or closed, been open, closed for how long, and you can open and close the door with this. So I went online, bought another one of these. It seems like I just buy stuff now, but I never leave the house, so yeah, what the heck. So let's open this up, put it on the door. We'll add it to the MYQ app, which one of the things I like, I use Google Home app for a lot of my home automation stuff. And you can attach your MYQ stuff to it, just like you would your Nest thermostats, your doorbell, you know, cameras, whatever. So anyway, in the pack, we got the hook and loop tape and some screws, just like on the other one we had. We got the quick start guide. It's in several languages. But since we've already done one, we really don't need it. And we've got the sensor, the door sensor itself. It's got a little pair button on it. Got a piece of tape here that you pull out to enable the battery. So we're going to do this thing just like we did the other. And all these things are simple. I mean, they have made home automation and smart stuff smart. Do your homework on it though. I mean, find stuff that for your house that works for you. Keep those screws. Alright, so we'll stick the peel and stick tape on here. And you want to put it strapped down so you see the MYQ. Put it strapped down, so I'll just stick this on here like this. Grab us another one. And this been up about a month, I guess. Hadn't had any issues before. I guess about a month. The only issues I have is my fingernails are so short I have a hard time doing this. I type all the time, so I keep my nails short. Quick tip, if you type all day long, keep your nails short, your fingers won't hurt. So, alright, so I got all the tape off of it. We'll take the plastic covering off of it. And whilst I'm here, see this little piece right here with an arrow? Alright, it's enabled now. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to line it up on the door. Just walk over here with me. Walk right over here. And it's right there on the other one. And it says on there to hold it for 30 seconds. Alright, that's about 30. So these are insulating panels that I actually put on the door to make it less cold down here, because it can really get cold. You know, I've insulated my water lines, insulated the doors, the whole bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to record my screen. So y'all can see what I'm doing. And I've got my iPhone, and I'm going to open up the MYQ app. So I am recording my screen. Go to MYQ. And what I did on the other one was pretty painless. I mean, so it's showing my garage door number 1, which is over here. It's closed. I'm going to hit the plus sign. I'm going to add a device. I'm going to add, let's see if it's right here, a smart garage control. I'm going to tell it I'm ready. Oh, you have to check each box. Okay. I'm ready. Okay, now that's not what I wanted. A door sensor is what I wanted. I didn't even look at that. Okay, I've already pulled the tab. Okay, it says test my door sensor. Okay, I had a red LED come on. Okay, next steps will pair your door sensor to your smart garage control. Tap next to begin. Okay, now it's preparing to pair it. Okay, now it says now push and release the button again to complete pairing. Heard the beep. Paired. Okay, now I'll hit next. It says to install the sensor. It's already installed, so I'll just bing, 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 bing. And I did it just like they said to. Alright, the next steps will pair your smart garage control hub to your garage door motor. And always be careful. Don't be standing there leaning against it. When it takes off, you'll fall. Okay, now I'm going to jump up here in the boat. I got to be able to hit the button. So y'all hang loose. I'll be right back. Okay, so here I am in the boat. I'm up here at my garage door opener, right here. As you can tell, my boat takes up the whole thing. So, what you got to find the Genie garage door opener. You say, got it. Alright, you find the Learn and Program button on your garage door motor. So let me do that. Not a lot of room up here. So I'll find the button. Found it. Now it's trying to pair. So I wish I could let me me bring you up here. So here's the button. And it's trying to pair. And it opened. I better move out of the way or I'll hit my head. Okay, it opened the door. So, okay, it says paired on my phone. We're going to call it Garage Door 2. Let me back you away a little bit. And it was successful. So now I go to Garage Door 2 and it's showing open. I'm going to hit the button. Hear it beeping. And I hit the button wrong. Okay, so now I've got both garage door openers showing closed. Y'all can see my screen anyway. So that's how fast and easy it was. You can retrofit your garage door opener with it and make it smart. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified. And we got some more videos we're going to do here in the garage because it's cold outside. So hope everybody's having a great weekend and a great day. And until the next video, thanks for watching.